Hey everybody, Space Goats here. We are at a beautiful Sunday afternoon in Tulsa, Oklahoma. This is day one of Rocky Mountain Race Week 2.0. I got a little bit of breeze today, so hopefully you guys can hear me well enough. I'm probably gonna be a little bit of wind noise in the mic. I don't have one of those cool little Rode mics, so I don't know. Hopefully it sounds all right. Like I said, this is day one. We have not started racing yet. We'll start checking in about 4 o'clock for active drag strip. Check-in started at 10 o'clock today. And we have approximately 300 racers today. I am doing the road, the driving part of it, road trip part of it. Signed up to follow all these awesome race cars. You have Cletus McFarland's going to be here with Leroy, the Dell Truck, Ruby, Mike Finnegan's here, Alex Taylor's here. Pretty much all your big YouTubers and TV personalities. 1320 Video is going to be following, I do believe. Bang Shift Videos is going to be here doing live coverage starting at 4 o'clock today. And starting, they do live coverage every day. So you can look for their link on Rocky Mountain Race Week's webpage. So it's going to be a little different video for me. I'm, like I said, I don't have an exact theme that I like to do. I just like to shoot videos and go places, and I'll just take you guys along for the ride. Hope you guys like this kind of content. I'm going to have probably try to get several videos a day actually out of this. Some racing, some still videos of the cars and whatnot. So also I would like to do a Panda call out. Red Panda call out. Let's start talking about a face reveal call out. We know what all the other YouTubers look like. We know what Nefarious looks like. We know what DCA guys look like. Serpent X, Hash Raptor, but no one knows what the secret Panda looks like. So, since no one has seen me, this will be the first time you get to see me and be a face reveal. Hey guys, it's Space Goats. I hope you guys enjoy the videos over the next few days. I just try to make whatever sounds fun to me. I don't know if it's going to be fun or not, but we'll find out. So I'm going to get this little short video posted up here soon, and then I hope to have a bunch more videos for you guys coming up real shortly. Space Goats out.